A lot of people, when they want to invest, they are looking for places where they can double their money, triple their money in the shortest possible times. Most people are looking like 6 months, 1 year, 15 months. But there are certain ways where you can actually do this, right? It's not very common, but there are few ways, especially in real estate. When I started real estate, I started with about maybe 50,000, 100,000 about 7 years ago. Now we make billions every year from real estate. So how are you able to actually double times 5 times 6 your money? This property I'm standing is one of our projects we did last year. Last year we did 8 houses. We built 8 houses in 2024. 8, and they look. Let me show you. So I know exactly what I'm telling you. And there are very, very few ways you can actually make insane money while working in real estate. And I'm going to show you these few ways, and I'm also going to teach you the risk you should look out for so you don't fall on scams or different things that might take your money away. So you have to listen very carefully to this video and then follow the instructions step by step to get the best deal and grow your money as fast as possible using real estate. One of the first ways, right, you can get deals like this is partnership with developers. The way this works is this: a developer has a project, they've bought a land, they want to buy a land. They look for partners to get that property before they start selling to the open market. So what we usually do is this. Let's say we have a project we want to start. We know, okay, to acquire the land and start the project, we need 700 million. Now, for us to get that 700 million, we look at what is the current value of the house. Maybe normally the house is supposed to sell for 40 million. We will now go and meet out certain investors and say, Alpha, come and buy units. So instead of selling a unit of studio apartment for 40 million, we sell it to you for just 15 million or 20 million. Now, if you are lucky enough to get such a deal, you can easily double your money in just 6-7 months. The last time we did this, right, we sold a property at 17 million. This was like 3-4 months ago. We sold to some people 17, some people 15. Right now, that property now, as of today, if you want to buy, the minimum we can sell that property is 40 million. So within 5 months, those people that bought 15 million have gone up to 40 million. Now, what's the catch here? There's a catch. You have to buy the property at a very early stage when sometimes even the acquisition of the property might not be done, or maybe they just bought the property, work has not even started on site, drawings is not yet out, nothing. And you buy based on trust on the particular developer you are working with. Now, another issue with this particular one is you don't get these deals every other day, right? So we have people on standby for us that are willing to give us money whenever we have this deal. Last time we did this deal, the last 2 times we've raised, I think the first one we raised almost $1 billion, second time we raised like 700 million for the project. And now, as at today, when I'm shooting this video in April, we don't have any of the deals available. So it's a deal that when you catch, you run with it. You can also join a waiting list. So down this link, we're going to create a link where if you want to join a waiting list of investors that are interested in this type of deal, you can join the waiting list, speak to one of our consultants, and then whenever we have such deal, it will come to you first. But at the moment, we don't have any. So whenever you see this kind of deal, best deal ever. 6 months, 8 months, you've doubled your money.